today. We are outside. Even though it's nasty outside, we're outside. I'm on the highway right now, headed to the city to link up with my friends. We always like hang out every weekend. It's cold right now and rainy and disgusting in Chicago. So, yippee. But I'm going to take you guys along for my day. Not that I'm doing anything crazy exciting, but let's just spend the day together. Why not? So waiting on him to take his dog outside, and then we're going to get pedicures. The weather outside sucks. I sat in traffic for a long time, but we made it. Fit check really quick is an Ed Hardy matching sweat set. Love a good matching set. Period. We're trying red sangria next. What you got?
Not as good as sweet red.
Right, sweet red is number one. This is okay. A top contender, but not sweet red. Okay, now the artist white blend. A little bitter, I won't lie.
That one ain't it.
He said that one ain't it, and I agree. We're trying passion fruit.
You want a different glass?
We actually had this one last time, I think, but it's really, really good and really sweet. So if you like sweet wines, tap into this for sure. Okay, we're trying white sangria.
I like
9 out of 10. My favorite so far. Actually, no. The first one was my favorite, red sangria. White sangria is like the best. We're trying the winter whites. It's a seasonal one, so we're trying that now. It's cinnamon though. When I taste it, I don't like cinnamon. She said you can also warm it up, but I don't know how I feel about that. So. I don't like cinnamon though. For that one, I'm gonna give her a 4 out of 10 just because I don't like cinnamon. But obviously, he loves it because he just like threw it back. So.
My bad. My bad, y'all. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I think this is the last one. I'm not 100% sure, but we just got blueberry, so we're gonna try that. Kind of bitter, like towards the end, but it's still pretty good. Don't know if I'd buy it for myself. 7 out of 10. I don't know where I left off recording, but thanks for spending the day with me.